What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you are new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error SU-41350-3 can find system software update. So here we go to the settings. Here we are at the screen. Go to the settings, go check the system software update. Sometime you can get the system software update here and you just do it to update from here. If you can't get it, you just go to the from your laptop, from your PS4, you must have a USB, and here you go to the PlayStation.com. Here you get the PlayStation 4 system software update and the PlayStation 5. You just simply download the file and put into your USB, connect your USB with your PlayStation 4 and go to the safe mode. Go to safe mode and then you just update the system software via USB. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.